Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the image preview on Google Images. This gives you the best resolution. Once the preview loads, move the browser window to where you can frame it. Make sure to check size and usage rights, copyright matters, so you avoid low quality or restricted images. If you need a full-size file, click the image to open the source page. Otherwise, position the preview on screen and prepare your device camera or screenshot tool to capture the image cleanly. Now choose how you'll capture: phone photo, desktop screenshot, or an extension. If you use a phone, steady the device, use grid lines and tap to focus, adjust exposure if needed. For desktop, use print screen or snipping tool for precise crops. Ctrl+Shift+S opens quick snip on many systems. Once done, crop out browser UI and scale the image to keep quality. If using an extension, pick one that saves original resolution to avoid loss. Finish by editing. Crop to remove borders, straighten if needed, and tweak brightness and contrast to match the original. Save a copy as PNG or JPEG and always keep the untouched original file in case you need to revert. If the capture looks low quality, reload the page and clear cache, or open the image source directly to grab the higher resolution file. If permissions block you, use the source site's download option or request permission. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.